Assalamualaikum. This is Mahanur Wahid, roll number BP1650117, and I am from group 28. Our group topic is upper gastrointestinal disorders. We have so many upper gastrointestinal disorders like peptic ulcer, gastroesophageal reflux disease, gastrointestinal bleeding, and here I am discussing GERD, that is gastroesophageal reflux disease. So first we have to understand that what is GERD. So GERD is basically a digestive disorder in which acidic stomach juices, fluids or food back up from stomach into the esophagus. The mild symptoms of GERD are indigestion, heartburn or acid taste in mouth, but if it gets complicated then it causes esophageal strictures, Barrett's metaplasia or adenocarcinoma of the esophagus. Okay, so we have a case study that WJ comes with a complaint of indigestion, burning sensation behind his breastbone and acid taste in mouth, and his symptoms usually appear after eating large or spicy meals. He takes liquid antacids to relieve the symptoms, but symptoms return quickly even after the frequent dosing. And in this patient we have to check that which symptoms are consistent with GERD, what lifestyle changes reduce symptoms, and what treatment should be recommended. Patient chief complaint is indigestion and burning with acid taste in mouth. So in SOAP notes we have subjective, in which the onset is few months ago and location of complaint is upper GIT. It is characterized by burning sensation with acid taste, and eating large or spicy meals may elevate the symptoms. Also, the acid taste radiate in the back of his mouth. The temporal pattern is that his symptoms appear if he eat before bed, and the mortality rate of this disease is 80 to 20%. And objective is that patient has burning sensation, belching and acid taste in mouth. Also he is taking liquid antacids for his symptoms. So from all these symptoms, that is burning sensation, indigestion, indicating that WJ has GERD. Okay, so our plan for which symptoms consistent with GERD. Different symptoms, that is burning sensation after spicy meals, acid taste in mouth, and association of symptoms eating near his bedtime, all are consistent with GERD. And the lifestyle changes that will help in managing GERD is that the patient should lose weight, or he should avoid eating spicy food, or should eat at least 3 hours before bed. Also raising head from bed 6 to 8 inches may reduce the symptoms. The treatment we recommend to WJ for GERD is that we should give H2 receptor antagonist for his symptoms like burning sensation, acid taste in mouth. So we have different H2 receptor antagonists like famotidine, cimetidine, ranitidine, etc. All are equally effective, but we prefer famotidine 20 mg twice daily because it has less side effects. Also, if the symptoms occur more than 2 days in a week, then we should give PPI, that is proton pump inhibitors. Different proton pump inhibitors we have esomeprazole, omeprazole, pantoprazole and rabeprazole. But we recommended omeprazole 20 mg oral once daily because of longest half-life. And the notes, as we know that WJ symptoms are mild and occurring frequently. Also he is taking liquid antacids for his symptoms, but his symptoms return quickly even after the frequent dosing. So he requested to give medication that will prevent his meal related symptoms. That's why we had recommended famotidine 20 mg twice daily as H2 receptor antagonist, and if the symptoms persist then proton pump inhibitor, that is omeprazole 20 mg once daily should be given. But if the symptoms get complicated, then we should either increase the dose of famotidine to 40 mg twice daily, or we give omeprazole 20 mg 3 times a day. So the WJ symptoms are not that much complicated. He has mild symptoms like burning, indigestion or acid taste in mouth. So these symptoms can be resolved with either giving omeprazole, which is a proton pump inhibitor, and H2 receptor antagonist, that is famotidine, and if its symptoms persist, then we will increase the dose of both the drugs. So that's it for this. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.